Okay, so I'm back again. Part 2. I am going to swipe. I'm not sure how or why. I'm going to grab an edge catcher. I'm actually going to use a rather large sheet of acetate. And I'm going to try and get some of my bottles out of my way right now so I have a little elbow room. Very quickly, I hope. And okay, so I have an edge catcher right next to me I can wipe some paint off onto, and that's a convenient thing. So here goes nothing. Let's start away. And let's make sure I wipe that off. That's beautiful. I like the edge catcher better than the actual swipe. Let's use another one. Maybe I'll just use, no, I'm going to leave that. I want it. Let's go from the other side. Let's go right down the middle. Kind of feel like I need a swipe color, you know? Maybe that's the ticket. Maybe I'm making art with the residuals. I'm going to try swipe color. What color should it be? I think it should be gold. Maybe some orange too. Who knows? If I ruin this, nobody will ever see it. Alright, that's better. I'm much happier with that. And the cells that are popping on the swipe sheet are amazing. And if I could keep them, that would be a grand plan, but I can't. So I'm just going to go back and leave the weird random marks and be happy with what I'm getting. I want to use, where is it? I'm going to take a chance. I never do this. Not with the neon pink anyway. Alright, so I think I'd rather have random weirdness than try and have exact zigzags. And I'm really tending to wonder if I should grab one of my basting brushes. Both of them are in the bucket. What can I do? I can, oh yes I can. That's unexpected. That's really cool. That's just very different. Just a little drag here and there. Make some gold filaments. Looks like cosmic music. I'm happy. This is weird that I'm happy about this, but I'm really happy about this. Anything that's not all the way to the edge, I'm just going to stick my finger in. Good, that canvas was dragging me down. I really wasn't happy with it, and I really am happy with this. Cool. So if I really didn't want to ruin those gorgeous cells that are keep popping. A swipe and then a basting brush. Who knew? Triple nipples on my squeeze bottle. Very cool. I could use more. I could use the black one. Where is the black one? Let's see what happens when we do that. Actually, I really want that third nipple, that third tip to work. But I'll settle for 2. If I had white, I'd use it. Not sure that that was my best bet. But I'm not going to complain until I'm done. I love stripes, so it's not like I can really get it wrong. Unless something is deciding to not come out like that just did. Yes, I like that little bit of orange. Wow, that was really fun. Just a little basting brush, drag through those marks to break them up just a little bit. That's a neat piece. That's wild and crazy. Right up my alley. I said I wanted to use some white, and I still could, but I think I'm done. I think I need to be done. I like what shows through. I like all the colors there. I'm going to go ahead and... I don't think I put any enamel in there too, but I got a lot of beautiful cells. I'm going to call this, oh yes I did! I see that I want, where's my skewer? I just want to break up that line right there with something that has a point on it. Just so it's not too uniform. Skewer, basting brush, woo! Large lumps of Floetrol. The skewer and the basting brush are good. The large lumps of Floetrol, not so much. I like the gold stripes. I like everything about this. This doesn't look like anything I've ever done before. I'm not sure it looks like anything anybody's ever done before, which makes it all that much cooler. I even like the little tiny white spots that are showing through. Neat. Really neat. So I hope you guys watch all the videos you can possibly watch, as long as you can possibly watch them if you like what I do, because I need to stay on YouTube by having people watch me. And I have 86,000 subscribers, or very close to that, and only a couple hundred at a time are watching. I love you guys too. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you leave me that keep my morale intact while things are weird. Thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting. And April 2020 will be my 2nd year anniversary at YouTube. And if I keep doing that, I might be sorry, but I don't think so, because I really like what happens when I do it. Just a little waggle. A little skewer waggle. It's perfect. I can also drag something across a few spots. That's what I was after. I was after trying to fix that. And I'm good to go. Very, very cool and abstract. And I keep seeing stuff I want to fix. And I better stop now, or I won't be able to, because once you skim up the surface with the torch, you shouldn't do anything else. I love this painting. Wow. I'm going to take any of my paint that I have left over, and I'm going to touch up my edges as best I can. I love you guys. I'm going to have, 10 minutes to touch up my edges to make them cohesive. And there might be the odd moment where I put my skewer back in the artwork, in spite of the fact that I told you not to. That's just probably going to happen. Alright, so if you share my videos, it helps me out. If you shop the Amazon link at no added cost to you under Show More, the first blue link under the video, it definitely helps me out. And sales are definitely down. And I really appreciate you guys. A lot of you are telling me that you are shopping my Amazon link, so thank you very much for doing that. It does help. It was down to about 1/3 of what it used to be, but then so are my YouTube watchers. And subscriptions are okay, but they're coming in, instead of 100 a day, they're coming in at 3 a day. But it doesn't keep me from loving you guys and telling you again and again, you inspire the heck out of me, and I'm so happy to be able to do this for you. And I'm so happy that it inspires some of you and that it entertains some of the rest of you, and some of you find relief just from watching. And I am, yes, I am using the paint on my card to blend my edges in so that they go with everything else. I probably don't need to, just because there's so many colors there already, but I kind of like the idea of doing it, so that's what's promoting me to do it. All right, so I should be looking at my crib sheets. Check the playlists. Created playlists on my channel have 1,200 videos, 10 lists of 100, 1 list that's being populated, and 13 genres. So if you're inclined to be inspired more often, wow, this is a trip. Thank you guys for joining me so much. And thank you for the thumbs up. Please don't forget the thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. It lifts my spirits too. So watch the videos longer. Give me a thumbs up. Both of those things are super important. And just don't ever forget that I love you guys so much. I give art lessons at the house. I do sell my artwork. My email address is under the video. If you have questions for me, you can ask me whenever you want. And when I can get back to you, I will get back to you. I think I'm done. I'm like totally done. It's time to put the art supplies away. It was a very good day because of you guys. And I can't believe how much I love this. So much better than those zigzags. Bye for now. Priscilla out.